write now. Work done by electric force. Yes. Work done by electric force. Electric force dot product displacement. But students, electric force E bar into Q, because on a charged particle of charge Q, electric force equal to E bar into Q dot dr bar. Yes, now Q into E bar dot dr bar. So this is now work done by electric force. And the students, now electric field is a conservative field, just like our gravitational field. So now work done by any conservative field, that is work done by conservative field is negative change in potential energy of the system. So now here negative change in potential, but here which potential? Electric potential energy of the system. Change means final potential energy minus initial potential energy. Yes, but here already minus is there. So that's why students, minus of final potential energy minus initial, nothing but initial potential energy minus final. So work done by electric force equal to initial potential energy. Which type of potential? Electric potential energy. It's not gravitation. Initial electric potential energy minus final electric potential energy. This is work done by electric force. Yes, so students, here minus delta U. This is nothing but Q into E bar dot dr bar. Yes, here one more now point also there. So this, students, you can write here this potential energy, change in potential energy, potential difference, one new concept. So change in potential energy, yes, here minus charge Q into delta V. So students, here delta V means change in potential. That means indirectly potential difference. This is potential energy difference. This is potential difference. So now here work done by electric. So conclusion, work done by electric force minus change in electric potential energy. Yes, next E bar dot dr bar. This is nothing but what now? F bar dot dr bar. This is E bar dot dr bar. Is nothing but minus delta V. Therefore, potential difference, small potential difference, now I am taking dV equal to minus E bar dot dr bar. Yes, this is now small change. Suppose now you need delta V minus integral E bar dot dr. So this is the relation between a potential difference and electric field. Yes, come on, complete that fast. Yes, on that now more information is there. Yes, students, now from here to here take screenshot and then later write now in your notebook because here no time, that's fine. Yes, final change in potential, nothing but potential difference. Final potential, just wait. Potential difference final minus initial equal to minus integral E bar dot dr bar. So this is the relation between potential and electric field. Next to here potential energy also there. Delta U UF minus UI minus F bar dot dr bar, but here F is a electric because these all are now conservative forces. Yes, all students know, please write that also. Yes, these two, this is the potential, this is potential energy. So first potential energy. Yes, so students, first one example. Yes, here all electric field lines equally separated and all parallel to each other. Indirectly, it is representation of uniform electric field. Indirectly, all points equal to constant. That electric field is a E. Suppose students, one particle moved from 1 to 2, point A to point B. Small distance to small a, suppose. Yes, this charge is a Q. Here to here, suppose now point charge moved A to B. Yes, on this point charge, force F equal to EQ because E is a constant. So force here to here, distance to small. So therefore, students, how much now work done by here electric force? E into Q into small e. But work done by electric force is negative change of electric potential energy. So that's why students here initial potential energy minus final potential energy. So that means final potential energy is initial UI minus EQ into E. That means final potential energy here less than initial potential energy. That means UF is less than. Yes, so students, here now conclusion. Particle is moving in the direction of electric field. One positively charged particle is moving freely in the direction of electric field. So electric potential energy reduced. But here no any loss of energy because all are conservative in nature. As potential energy decreases, as particle moving from A to B, as particle moving from A to B, that is a distance to small a. That is a distance to small a. Electric potential energy reduced. Electric potential energy reduced. and this energy is not now wasted. It is converted into kinetic energy. That's why here now no any loss of energy. Potential energy converting into kinetic energy. So that means students here final potential is less. So therefore kinetic energy is greater than this. Yes, so students now take this also. Now continuation is there. Yes, this is the first one. Work done by uniform electric field. Work done by uniform electric field it is. Yes, very simple. Just EQ into A. This is work done by uniform. Now students now going for work done by non-uniform electric field also one example. Just wait. Yes, now students now work done by non-uniform electric field. Yes, for that students here I am taking one point charge Q. One point charge Q. This point charge will induce electric field. This electric field depends on the location. That means non-uniform electric field. Yes, here another point charge small q taken. This is at a distance small r. So that's why here force on this charged particle F equal to E into Q. All students know E K Q by R square. KQ by R square into Q. This is the force. Now, work done by electric force F bar dot dr bar K Q Q divided by K Q Q divided by R square into dr. So this is now for a small distance. Yes, now total work done. Now I am calculating. This is from now just to R1 distance to R2 distance. Yes, integral dr by r square we know r to the power of -2 plus 1 by -2 plus 1 indirectly -1 by r. So therefore K Q Q K Q Q -1 by r R1 to R. Yes, now students K Q Q 1 by R1 minus 1 by R. 1 by R1 minus 1 by R. So now work done by electric field. That electric field is due to point charge from distance R1 to R2 on a point charge small q is nothing but this is the work done. But students, we know work done initial potential energy minus final potential energy. Work done by electric force equal to initial minus final. So that is KQQ by 1 by R1 minus 1 by R. Yes, now here I am assuming U1 R1 is nothing but now infinity. R1 is very far away. Infinity I am taking. R1 is far away. Initial potential energy also 0 because no any charged particle here because that is very far away. That's why no potential energy. Next to R2 equal to small r, then potential energy is a. If I substitute R1 equal to infinity, 1 by infinity is a 0 minus 1 by R2 is a R. Uy 0, Uf is a U. So minus cancel. Students, final potential energy K Q small q divided by R. So whenever 2 point charges separated by the distance to small r, what is the potential energy of the system? K into capital Q small q by small r. Suppose if it is negative charge, you should take even sign of the charge also, minus capital Q. So that's why at the time of taking charges, you should consider that nature of the charge, sign of the charge also. So that's why U equal to K charge, first particle charge, second particle charge divided by distance between those 2 points. This is the potential, electric potential energy between 2 point charges. So final conclusion came K Q by R. This is the complete derivation. Yes, all students now please take this now on a screenshot, then later write because no time, already time completed. Yes, this is between two charged particles potential energy completed. Between two derived from the work, that is now work done by electric force. Yes, so students, between two charged particles Q1, Q2 separated by the distance to small r, potential energy is K Q1 Q2 divided by R. Yes, suppose students here 3 charges are there. Q1, Q2, Q3. Distance here R12, R23, R13. Potential energy equal to K outside Q1, Q2 by R12, Q2, Q3 by R23, Q1, Q3 by R13. So total 3 interactions, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. One interaction, one interactive potential energy. Yes, so similarly students, third one, no. Suppose here 4 charged particles. Q, 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 Q. All are placed at vertices of a square. Small a, small a, small a, small a. So U equal to K into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 direct interactions. So that is now 4 into Q, Q square by A plus. So 4 direct interactions, okay. Again now these two and these two. Again 2 more interactions. 2 into Q square by here to here distance root 2 here. So students, now here total 4 charged particles, so 6 interactions. Interactions, how to calculate? Number of interactions equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. N total 4 particles. 4 into 3, 12 by 2, 6. This is nothing but now NCR formula combinations. Each combination required 2 particles. That's why NC2 formula it is. N in 10 minus 1 by 2. So this is now square. So similarly, students, cube. Yes, one regular cube. So students, total 8 particles. 8 into 7 by 2, 28 interactions. 28 interactions, 28. So this 28 interactions, some interactions are direct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 interactions direct side to side. So 12 interactions Q square by A. Again, students, total 6 into 2, 6 faces, each face 2 diagonals again. So now again 12 Q square by root 2A. So total 24 interactions over up to now. Still 4 interactions. These 4 interactions body diagonals. So 4 Q square by root 3K into K equal to potential. So this is now potential energy of complete system of 8 particles placed at vertices of regular cube. This is now vertices of a square, vertices of a triangle. This is just 2 particles. So based on number of interactions, that many potential energies will come. Yes, all students now take from here to here one shot now. Then later write in your notebook. Yes, today's class small revision. Yes, today class electric field at the center of a hollow hemi uniformly charged sphere. Later electric field outside inside of uniformly charged hollow sphere. Next electric field both inside and outside uniformly charged solid sphere. Next electric field due to uniformly charged sphere with cavities. Next work done by electric force potential energy relation. Next potential difference electric field relation. Next potential energy in case of a uniform electric field. Potential energy in case of non-uniform example point charge. Next potential energy of a system having different charged particles. That is 2 particle system, 3 particle system, 4 particle system, 8 particle system also completed. Not only this now, any number of particles there you can complete. So today up to potential energy over. Now tomorrow electric potential along with assignments. Okay students. Yes, now physics class completed. Now just wait a few seconds for chemistry class. Okay, thank you.